Hello and welcome to Zen with Fabian. I am Fabian and today we have a short and sweet 5-minute Zen meditation. This one is perfect if you haven't got much time and simply want to reboot your mind. So get comfy and let's get to it. Alright, come on down to the ground. Use a cushion or a folded blanket to elevate your hips. And if you can, let your knees sink to the ground for optimal support. And take your time to get settled in. Adjust your posture until you find yourself in a firm seat with the spine erect. Keep a natural bend in your lower back. The chin should be tucked in slightly. Lift the crown of your head up towards the sky. And let the hands rest in your lap. Soften your gaze. If you feel like your mind is very active today, then use your breath to bring your attention back into this moment. The lower abdomen expands as you inhale and contracts on your exhale. If thoughts arise, bring your attention back into your belly and just breathe. Then start deepening your breath. Blink your eyes open. Move your body in any way that feels good right now. and then unfold your legs. I hope this quick reboot serves you well for the day. Thanks for joining me. Enjoy the rest of your day, or have a good night. Take good care, and see you very soon.